How to make TikTok account private. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your TikTok account private in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you have opened it, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on Settings and Privacy. Now here on the Settings section, you can see the option labeled as Privacy. So simply tap on that. And on the new page, here at the first, you can see the option labeled as Private Account. So as you can see, I have already enabled it. So if you want to make your account private, you need to toggle on that option. And once you have toggled it on, your TikTok account will be private. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.